Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw Ethereum from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just exploring new exchanges, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need accounts on both Coinbase and Binance, and make sure you have some Ethereum in your Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the Assets or Wallet section. Locate Ethereum in your list of holdings. Next, click on Ethereum to open its details page. Look for the Withdraw button. It's usually prominent and easy to spot. Before you proceed, double-check that you're on the correct network. In 2025, Ethereum transactions typically use the main Ethereum network, so select that to avoid any issues with compatibility. Now, head over to your Binance account. Go to your Wallet section, find Ethereum, and select Deposit. This will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy that address carefully. It's your destination for the withdrawal. Back on Coinbase, paste the Binance wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw, but remember to leave some extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Review all the details one last time to ensure everything's accurate, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. After confirmation, sit tight. Ethereum transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions in 2025. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to confirm the arrival of your funds. A quick word of advice: always double-check addresses to prevent losses from typos, and keep an eye on gas fees to avoid surprises. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn Ethereum from Coinbase to Binance. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. See you in the next one.